Natural treatments and prevention of hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids consist of inflammation of the veins of the rectum and anus. Often out of embarrassment, those suffering from hemorrhoids will avoid bringing it up or taking the time to see a doctor. Hemorrhoidal disease is characterized by inflammation, swelling, and general discomfort. The actual inflammation occurs in the sacs that contain the veins and arteries of the anal canal. Here we'll look at treatment methods for natural prevention of hemorrhoids. Common symptoms include burning, pain, inflammation, bleeding, in some cases. There are 4 grades to the disease. Grade I. The hemorrhoids are slightly larger in size, but not visible outside the anus. They generally do not present symptoms, and only a doctor can detect them. Grade II. They are pushed outside the anus during defecation, but later return to their normal state inside. Grade III. The hemorrhoids remain outside the anus and can only be returned to their normal position with the help of a healthcare professional or the patient's own finger. The hemorrhoids can be pushed out during defecation or even spontaneously. Grade IV. At this grade, the hemorrhoids remain permanently outside the anus and cannot be reinserted manually. One of the main causes of hemorrhoidal disease is chronic constipation that subjects the anal area to heavy pressure during defecation. Prevention. By knowing the causes of the disease, we can get a better idea of how to treat it. In the case of constipation, we should make every effort to eradicate it by ingesting foods high in fiber and drinking plenty of water regularly. If the body needs water, it will take it from the feces and the intestines, making bowel movements dry and hard, causing pain and further problems. High fiber foods. Fiber falls into 2 categories, soluble and insoluble. These 2 types are necessary for a balanced diet, around 30 grams a day. Foods with soluble fiber. Soluble fiber is able to dissolve in water. It's mainly used for treating cholesterol problems and stabilizing blood sugar levels. Soluble fiber slows digestion. It can be found in grains, legumes, fruits, strawberries, raspberries, apples, plums, lemons, oranges, vegetables, beets, artichokes, cucumbers, asparagus, carrots, pumpkin. Foods with insoluble fiber. Insoluble fiber does not dissolve in water. This type of fiber seems to speed up digestion. It prevents constipation by increasing the size and softening the stool. Foods that contain insoluble fiber. whole wheat bread, fruits in general, dried fruits, bran, vegetables. Both types of fiber are useful for maintaining the health of the intestine and eliminating particles that could result in injury. For dietary fiber to be effective, it must be consumed daily. Natural treatments for hemorrhoids. Aloe vera is great for treating the burning sensation associated with hemorrhoids. You should gently clean the area, then cut an aloe vera leaf in half and apply. This treatment can be repeated throughout the day. Prepare some chamomile tea for use as a sitz bath. Fill a large container with chamomile tea and when cooled, submerge the affected area and soak for about 10 minutes. The chamomile will help alleviate the pain and inflammation associated with this disease. If symptoms worsen, consult a professional. Natural remedies are recommended for mild cases only.